I did the manual connection. I'm gonna go ahead and turn off the room's light, and then we're gonna turn this on, and let's see, turn on the lights. 3, 2, 1. Look at that. It is very good. I'm gonna go ahead and install it outside and show my backyard. I turn this on, and this is my backyard. Wow, look at that. It's like this is a review of LED parking lot light. It is energy saving, 110 volt dimmable, easy install, IP65 waterproof, and 5 years warranty. It is 150 watts and AC 100 277 volt. Let's go ahead and open the box and see what we have inside it. These are the instructions. We're gonna connect pink and purple for the dimming device. Black and white, it's gonna be positive and negative, and green. Let's go ahead and take it out and see. Here is the photo controller. Let's take this out. It's a little bit heavy. Let's check the LED lights. And here is the back. This is aluminum, and it's gonna dissipate the heat. Let's put this right, you see, in. We're just gonna put it like that and install. If you wanna remove it, you can remove it like that and turn to the right. Now it's good. Let's go ahead and turn it on and see how it's gonna work. OMG, look at that. It is very bright. I did the manual connection, and I'm gonna go ahead and turn off the room's light, and then we're gonna turn this on, and let's see, turn on the lights. 3, 2, 1. Look at that. It is very bright. I'm gonna go ahead and install it outside and show my backyard. I turn this on, and this is my backyard. Wow, look at that. It's like daylight, and I'm gonna go ahead and take it out and see. And now you can't see anything. I did the manual connection, and I'm just gonna show you how this photocell is working. Right now it is a daytime, and let me go ahead and close that area. Now it's completely closed, and now it's on. I'm gonna go ahead and get my hands off over there and wait. Since it's daylight, it's gonna be turned off by itself. Now it's off. When you close it, it's not gonna get the photo cells, and it will turn on. That's why this is very important, and you can save energy and you can save the money. After 15 seconds, it's just turning off. Here is the installation location right there. Let's go ahead and put it there. I'll go ahead and use these screws and this head because I will install it there. Now we are done. It is very sturdy, very strong. Let's go ahead and put it. Alrighty, we are done. It is very secure right now. I'm gonna go ahead and screw them. And I will do the wiring, but right now I'm showing it to you how it is seen from here. Go ahead and screw them and tighten it. I'm done with the manual connection. Let's go ahead and close this area and wait a little bit. Now it's on. And it's off since it's daytime. Let's test it. 3, 2, 1. See? Now it's at night. I'm just gonna do the adjustment because I didn't do any adjustment right there. I'm just gonna lift it up a little bit. Those areas are gonna be light up. I'm at the back installing the light, and this is the perfect one. Now it's working. I already unscrew it, and now we can adjust it like that, and then go ahead and screw it back. Now it's good. I did the adjustment because these areas we're not getting enough light. That's why we're gonna test it at night. I'm just gonna use this extension cable, maybe right here, and we can go ahead and cut it. And then we're just gonna open it. I'm just gonna go ahead and use this, also control it with wireless. Let's go ahead and go to the attic and then complete the process. Alrighty, I did the connection and I'm using wireless connector, and right now this one is off and the rest of them are on. And I go ahead and put the cable from here down there, and let's go back to the balcony. I got the wire from there, and here I put 2 plastic covers, and then I open the areas. We're gonna go ahead and solder it and close the cover and heat it up, and it's gonna close. Let's solder them together. Now we are done with soldering. Let's go ahead and cover it. Alrighty, I'm just gonna close this area like original. Let's close the other one also. Alrighty, the last thing is now we are done with soldering. Everything is good. Let's go ahead and test it. These are all the materials I used to put that one there. I used the wireless plug, and I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on. Since it's nighttime and the photoreceptor is gonna be on, let's go ahead and see. Now it's gonna kick in. Check this area. It is like daytime. And we can turn it off from here. I'm gonna put the dimmer later and show it to you. And now, let me go ahead and turn it on. 3, 2, 1. You see? This is an awesome light. This is what we've been looking for. Let me show you the dimmer, how you're gonna connect it. And the black one is gonna go to black, and the red one is gonna go to white, or vice versa, and green is gonna go to green, and the purple is gonna go to purple, and the pink is gonna go to gray. If you wanna use 3-way installation, you can use this, but right now I'm not using it. And I also didn't connect these because I'm gonna use wireless, and here is the dimmer option. You can just put the extension cable and put the switch right there somewhere to use the light. Let me go ahead and test it at night. I'm just gonna go ahead and turn it on. Let's see. You can see it is very bright. And let me go ahead and put my phone right here to see the result. Let's check it out from here. You see the difference?